Hello, back at the Traffic Stop channel here, and got something special for you today. 20 free splash pages. Now, why would you might want splash pages? It's because, for example, if you're using Lead Sleep and you're using their splash pages, which are called landing pages in that site, if you have a free account, there's a limit of 10. So with a limit of 10, you run out, you'd have to delete one to use another one. And after a while, it gets pretty annoying. What if you want to keep your 10? So it's good to have sources to add additional ones. And so what you can do is, with Traffic Odyssey, you can now get 20 using the page cradle. There's a splash builder and an HTML uploader. Now I can create 20 HTML pages for you using something that I use, but it doesn't matter how I do it. I have a template and I can make 20 for 20 different programs or whatever you want. You just have to join through me here. Now on this page, which is a link in the description, click right here to join. Now, I'm second or third place in the contest now, which is going to end soon, so I want to win. So you're going to have to do this thing to help me here, and then I can create 20 pages for you for free. Doesn't cost anything. It expired July 15th, but if you do upgrade and get slot 1 is free anyway, but if you get slot 2 and 3 upgrade, then I'll remove the expiration date on this offer for the 20 free pages done by me. So if you don't know HTML or anything or whatever, don't worry, I can do it. And I can create pages to help you build a list. Now this is a simple without building a list, but I have HTML for you to build a list. And I can create 20 of these pages for you. But you must go to the rebrand Traffic Odyssey page and enter an avatar. Now this is it right here. Rebrand Traffic Odyssey. Now where you enter an avatar, you're going to browse here and you're going to get your avatar. I don't care what it is. It'll crop it on its own, but if you don't have anything to use, I got it right here. Link in the description. Click where it says here. If you click that, you can use this. Just download this to your computer or phone, and then you can use this one. And then over here on the rebrand Traffic Odyssey page, this is what you see after you sign up. You click browse here, and then you can open wherever it is on your device, then you upload it. Now you have to click save changes as well at the bottom to save it. And then the second thing you have to do is go to exit cred and just enter under slot 1 any ad you want under slot 1, and then click update slot 1 or create slot 1. This is update because I already have it. It might say create slot 1 or save slot 1 or whatever, but it's going to say create or save or whatever. It's update only because I already have it. Okay, now you have to do those two things because then that gives me points in the contest. So, and I'm trying to win this contest. And so you help me a little bit here, and then I will help you, and I'll create 20 free splash pages for you. If you want to build a list, which is recommended, this one's not a list, but if you want to build a list, which is recommended, then let me show you the page cradle area, the HTML uploader, I'll create this for you. And I'm gonna show you what it looks like when you're gonna build a list. See this, your first name, your email address. Okay, so I can put this in here for you. I know what I'm doing, so I can do it for you. I've already tested it, so you can build a list. And again, you could only have 10 of these if you have a free account in Leaves Leap, but you can have 20 of these in Traffic Odyssey under Page Cradle, and I will make these for you. Now, these are the types of pages you want to use because, yeah, it's simple. This is not a sales page. You're just trying to get people to opt in. So you need a juicy headline and some sort of call to action that makes them want to log in, rather subscribe. That's all you want. You want them to subscribe. Okay, you're not selling anything on this page. You're just trying to get them to subscribe. And to do that, it has to be short. This is not a sales letter. It's supposed to be short because you want them to do one thing and one thing only here. And that's to get them to subscribe. But you can't put an extra link or not put this link as well. You will lower the opt-in rate if you put a link, so you can use it. But then again, at the same time, you get more direct. You get a lot more clicks right away. So you could do it either way. You'll get more subscribers if you put no link at it. Like if you just remove this and put nothing like this here, no link at all, you'll get more subscribers. If you put this link, you'll get less subscribers, but you might get a sale right away. So it's a trade-off. But the point, it needs to be short. Otherwise, if it's something that's where you had to read a bunch and then get way down here, if you had to scroll down to get to this, it's going to reduce your subscriber rate, your opt-in rate. So I'm expert on creating these short splash pages to get people to opt in. And so I can make them for you. Okay, but make sure you follow this right here exactly, and the link is in the description. You got to join through me, and then make this avatar. And you can use this image if you don't have one. And that's on the Rebrand Traffic Odyssey page. Make sure you save it. And on the Exit Cred page, when you sign up, you're getting a free ad anyway. On the Exit Cred page in slot 1. Slot 2 and 3, if you upgrade for slot 2 and 3, I will remove the July the 15th expiration date. Okay, because it's July 15th if you're only signing up for free to get your 20 splash pages made by me. But if you upgrade to slot 2 and 3, I'm removing the July 15th. So if you see this later, I'll remove the July the 15th. Forget that. If you're going to upgrade and get slot 2 and 3, I'll make your 20 pages. I'll do it for free anyway, but it just has to be before July 15th if you want it for free without upgrading. Okay, so you're going to get 20 splash pages, something like this. I'll ask you what you want to, I'll even write the text if you want, because I'm good at writing and I'm good at creating pages like this, so I can do it all. Okay? So email me. Now, the email address to email me is also in the description. So go ahead, follow this page here, sign up. You must do these two things, and then email me. Now, make sure you save these. You can't just enter them and forget to save them. You have to save them. And then email me your username. Okay? For your 20 splash pages, I make them. You don't have to. Alright, see you next time.